How to quickly change default apps on Android? Let's go everyone. You're going to start by clicking on Settings. Go to the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Apps option. Look for Apps. In this case, here it is, Apps. I'm going to click it. You'll be redirected. Notice that either above or below, at the very end of the page, you'll find the option to choose your default apps. Click on this option, and by clicking here, you can make the change. Here, for the internet browser, I can click on this first option, and if I have other apps here, I'll have more options, okay? In this case, I only have one other browser, which is Google Chrome. If I want to set Chrome as the default, I just click it. Done. By clicking here, I can go back using the arrow. Notice here that I've already changed the default app for the browser, okay? In this case, it's going to be Google Chrome, and you can do the same with the other options, okay? SMS, Wallet, and down here as well, the app you want to use to open links. For example, if I click here, I have the option below to choose another app to open the phone's links, all right? So that's how you change default apps on Android. It's simple. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, subscribe to the channel.